What is Cloud SQL and how it works in production? Today we are discussing Google Cloud SQL, which is Google Cloud's fully managed relational database service for MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. In production, Cloud SQL handles high availability, automated backup, replicas, patching, and monitoring. So teams don't manage database servers and can focus purely on application logic and data reliability. Now, look in the right side of me. What is this production scenario about? In this scenario, we are running a healthcare analytics platform, where sensitive patient and diagnostic data must be accessed securely by just internal application. Both App Engine and GKE based internal services connect to Cloud SQL using private IP, ensuring data never leaves the VPC and remaining compliant with healthcare security requirements. Now let's talk about, this is the cloud scenario. What used to happen earlier than this? Again, look at the one of the diagrams in my right hand side. Earlier, how it used to happen: teams ran databases on self-managed VMs, manually configuration, replication, backups, failover, and security. A single database failure could cause downtime, and monitoring, scaling, and compliance were largely manual and error prone. Now, let's understand the complete explanation and walkthrough of our scenario. Look into my right side. Here are internal users who can securely access application running on App Engine and GKE inside a private virtual private cloud. These services connect to Cloud SQL over private IP, where the database run in high availability, set up with replicas for resilience. So that is how all the logs flow to cloud logging, and database performance metrics go to cloud monitoring, giving the real time visibility into the health, latency, and failures. If a zone goes down, Cloud SQL automatically fails over, ensuring continuous data availability, data durability, and secure access, which is critical for any production grade healthcare system. Not just healthcare system, any system that claims to be up for 24/7. So this is how Cloud SQL works in production. So I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more such production grade scenarios. Bye bye. See you in the next.